In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share your computer screen on Omegle using OBS Studio. So first of all, go ahead and launch the OBS Studio and select a scene. And then under sources, click on this plus icon. And here you can select display capture, or if you want to share a specific window, select window capture. So in my case, I'm selecting display capture. And now click on this display drop down, select your monitor, and you can enable capture cursor from here. Then click on OK. Once you successfully added your computer screen, if you want, you can also add your input audio device. To do that, again click on this plus icon, select here audio input capture, and from this list select your microphone and click on OK. Once you added your screen and audio devices, now under control section, start your OBS virtual camera. Once the virtual camera started, go to your Omegle and then just join a video chat. And here click on this control next to Omegle, and here click on this arrow icon next to camera. And here click on this camera drop down, and here select OBS virtual camera. Once you selected OBS virtual camera, here you see your computer screen through the OBS. So here, as you can see, my computer screen successfully showing or streaming on Omegle through the OBS Studio. That's how you can actually do it.